question we often get asked by people new to the community is whether they can run a fridge in their tiny build. And the short answer is absolutely you can. The real question is what type do you go for? Because you have a 12-volt compressor style, you have a mains 230 style, and you have what's referred to as a three-way fridge style. Now, we personally prefer to see the use of a 12-volt compressor style because the three-way models have what I like to refer to as a hidden cost in that their 12-volt consumption is astronomically high, sometimes 8 to 10 times that of a 12-volt compressor. So the infrastructure that you need in your electrical system is much, much higher. So there's a hidden cost outside of the fridge itself. Now, there's debate as to whether a 230-volt fridge is an option. I like to veer away from those because it means that your inverter has to be on 24/7 to power that, which can be a nuisance if you are a light sleeper or if it is a large inverter which has a high standby consumption. So our preference is a 12-volt compressor fridge.